Milo's reviews with the reviews five-star. Today's review is over a Kettle, Kettle brand Krinkle cut potato chips. I don't know if it's necessarily new. It's new to me. I don't think I've ever seen it before. Anyway, this is the Carolina BBQ Kettle brand Krinkle cut potato chips. Oh, yeah. So once again, we go to the Kettle brand, which is usually good quality chips. We got the certified gluten-free, non-GMO project verified, non-GMOproject.org. Says our natural promise, 0 grams trans fat, no preservatives, gluten-free, non-GMO project verified, made with all natural ingredients. And yeah, so it's potato chips. Alright, let's do this. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, old thick bag right there. Oh yeah. Take a look at this. Looks like a regular old Ruffles potato chip. Alright, Kettle brand Krinkle cut potato chips, Carolina barbecue. Let's do this. Hurrah! Alright, first of all, it's a really thick chip. Really crunchy, really thick. It's a good quality. Carolina barbecue. Alright, going into it, I figured Carolina barbecue would be sweet, and I don't know why I think that. It's kind of sweet, not much. The barbecue taste is really not strong. It's in the background. It's a good chip, but I just think that the barbecue flavor, or the Carolina barbecue flavor, it should be stronger. That's my complaint. Like I said, it tastes good, it's thick, it's crunchy, it's a weak barbecue flavor. That's my complaint. I would definitely eat the rest of this bag, but I probably would never buy it again. But yeah, so, anyway. That's it for today. Just remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore.